Scottsdale Country Club is one of the most underrated luxury communities here in the heart of Scottsdale. Not only is it guard gated, but it's on a beautiful lake, golf course community. But the best part is you don't have to have a golf membership to live here and enjoy the amenities.
This community offers pools, tennis courts, and you're minutes away from Scottsdale Quarter and Kierland Commons.
Some of the best shopping and dining we have to offer. It's hard to find a home this renovated in Scottsdale Country Club. They not only remodeled the home, but they took it down to the studs, redoing everything, upgrading the electrical, the plumbing, and the finishes are to die for.
The kitchen is the most important part to any home, and these sellers did not cut any corners. From the Quartzite countertops to the Wolf appliances and the gorgeous cabinetry, you walk in and it truly feels euphoric.
One of my favorite things these sellers did with this beautiful remodel are the custom windows, especially this one. They really opened up the floor plan to bring in the natural light and have a beautiful flow.
Yeah, they did, and this home was actually originally a 3-bed, 2-bath, which they reconfigured into a 4-bed, 3.5 bath.
Not only is this a low-maintenance backyard, but you still have it all. You have the heated pool, above-ground spa, misters, a built-in barbecue, and a covered patio, and you're right on the golf course.
To see more beautiful homes in Scottsdale, Arizona, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.